What's up, everybody? It's Catfish back with another video, and on today's video I got a treat for you guys. I just got through paint correcting and ceramic coating a 1967 Galaxy. Man, y'all gotta see this. This is crazy. Wait till you see this car. It came out so nice. My boy car. Check this out, y'all. Look at this. Y'all see the lip on that? Wildwood brakes. Look at this thing. Only thing he got to get done is the interior. But look at this car. This thing is so gorgeous. Yeah, I've been over here since about 10 o'clock this morning. Went through it, did it. But look at the stance, guys. Y'all see that? Look at the stance. From behind. Look good, don't it? Yep. 67 Galaxy, man. 8-inch lip, 10-inch lip. 8-inch lip, guys. Look. Got the billets on there. Look. Y'all check it out. Yeah, I just got through paint correcting. Oh, I got a fingerprint right there. I get it. See? Y'all see that fingerprint? I get it. Yeah, I just got through taking care of it for him. Got that big show Saturday. So he gonna let it sit in the garage. Look at this built 390, y'all. Yeah. I don't know what the specs, ain't none of y'all business, but it sound nasty. I'm gonna have them fired up in a minute. This thing is so nice. Got the halos in it. He ain't playing no games, y'all. He ain't playing no games. See how easy that closed? I'm gonna let him fire it up so y'all can hear it just for a quick minute. Things sound incredible too. Yeah, I had to get him right for the show. Listen at this thing. It got a big cam in it too. Thing sounds good, don't it? I'm gonna back up, let y'all get the whole ambiance. There it is, guys. 1967 Galaxy, man. It look good too. Alright, there it is, man. We did paint correction and ceramic coating on it today. And just like that, this video is over.